Hi kids, welcome to summer vacation activities for kids. Dance, singing, yoga time, drawing and painting, pottery, art and craft, clay modeling, storytelling, stage exposure, public speaking, fireless cooking, swimming, piano, guitar, phonics, abacus, science experiments, general knowledge, martial arts, computer and coding classes, drama and theatre, pool party, puppetry, mom and me, robotics, improve writing skills, personality development, skating, football, tennis, cricket, entrepreneur skill develop. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Kids, do you